Salesflare versus EngageBay, which is better for sales and AMP? Marketing automation? This is the question we're answering today, and you're going to want to stick around until the end because we're diving deep into both platforms, comparing their features, pros, cons, and whether either one is really the right fit for your business. Let's kick things off with Salesflare. Salesflare markets itself as the CRM that automates everything. It's designed for small to medium businesses who want to focus on sales while minimizing admin tasks. The standout feature is its heavy use of automation. It tracks interactions, emails, and activities in the background, learning from them to predict the next best actions. This saves time, especially for busy teams who need to focus on leads rather than micromanaging data entry. But here's the kicker. While the automation is impressive, it's very much reliant on the user feeding the system with accurate information. If your data's off, so are your results. Next, let's talk about EngageBay. EngageBay positions itself as an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation tool. It offers a mix of sales, marketing, and support features in one package, which makes it ideal for businesses who need a tool that can do a little bit of everything. It's more affordable than Salesflare, which is a big draw, especially for startups and growing companies with tight budgets. You'll get email marketing, landing pages, lead scoring, and a robust ticketing system, all of which are solid, but they don't quite match the depth you get from more specialized tools. EngageBay tries to do it all, but sometimes it feels like it sacrifices depth for breadth. If you're looking for a powerful CRM, but also want some marketing automation, EngageBay might tick those boxes. However, don't expect it to go toe-to-toe with the heavy hitters when it comes to more advanced features. Moving on to the interface. Salesflare's user interface is clean, minimalistic, and intuitive. It's definitely designed to be easy for anyone to use without much of a learning curve. The downside? The simplicity can feel limiting if you're someone who needs more customization or more detailed reporting options. EngageBay, on the other hand, has a slightly more cluttered interface, with a lot of options available at once. Some people love this versatility, but others might feel overwhelmed by the choices. The learning curve here is steeper, but once you get the hang of it, it's a very powerful tool. Next thing, let's address pricing. EngageBay is one of the most affordable CRM options out there, especially if you're just starting out and don't have the budget for the big players. It offers a free plan, which is a great way to dip your toes in, though it's a bit limited. The paid plans are highly competitive, and you get a lot of bang for your buck, especially with all the extra features. Salesflare, on the other hand, isn't exactly cheap. While its automation is top-notch, you're paying for that convenience. The pricing is aimed at businesses that are willing to invest a bit more in streamlining their sales process. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Salesflare provides excellent customer support with quick response times and helpful resources, which is essential when you're working with an automation tool that requires regular adjustments. EngageBay, however, has a bit more mixed reviews when it comes to support. While their help center is extensive, some users have mentioned delays when trying to reach support directly. This could be a deal breaker if you're in need of hands-on assistance frequently. Now, let's get into the biggest differentiator, the ultimate goal. If you're looking for a robust solution that can handle both sales automation and more advanced marketing tasks, Salesflare could be a winner, but it comes at a price. If you're on a budget and want a decent all-in-one tool that gets the basics right, EngageBay can absolutely work for you, especially if you're more marketing-focused than sales-focused. However, here's the thing. Both of these platforms are solid, but they don't always offer the complete package when it comes to fully optimizing your sales and marketing efforts. After trying both myself, I realized there's a better alternative for the goal of achieving seamless sales and marketing automation, and I want you to have access to it. So, if you want to give this better alternative a try, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive access to the best free trial available, with benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Make sure to take advantage of it. It's time to upgrade your sales and marketing automation game.